sitting on the table. He's staring straight at me, and I can tell by his expression that he doesn't want to leave. It's a bird in the house, and I don't know what to do. Somebody left that window open, and in the bird flew. There's a bird in the house, and I don't know what to do. Somebody left that window open, and the bird flew. Maybe more, and I could see my reflection scattered all across the floor. So I swept up all the pieces. I will not shed any tears. My luck's been bad forever. What's another 7 years? There's a